Mia, saying much apples was so embarrassing today.
Don't worry. Just put things into two simple boxes.
Don't worry. Just put things into two simple boxes. Oh wow, the two boxes make perfect sense now.
Welcome to Grow English Mastery. Let's learn effortlessly.
I have a massive headache with English quantifiers today.
Which tiny English words are giving you a big headache?
I always mix up much, many, and a lot of.
That is a very common problem for many English learners.
Yesterday, I told my friends I have much apples.
Much apples sounds very unnatural to a native speaker.
Oh no. So how can I fix this embarrassing mistake?
We just need to put things into two simple boxes.
Two simple boxes? Does it involve any boring grammar rules?
No boring rules, just things we can count or not.
So I just need to count my things correctly.
Exactly. You count apples, but you cannot count your water.
I am ready to open these two boxes right now.
Let us start with the things you can actually count.
What is the magic word for things I can count?
The magic word for countable things is the word many.
How do I use the word many in daily life?
You use many for things like books, cars, and apples.
So I can say, I have many apples today.
Exactly, because you can easily count one or two apples.
What about the things I cannot count, like my water?
For uncountable things like water or time, we use much.
So I must say, I drink much water every day.
Spot on. Water, sugar, and money always use the word much.
Wait, can I say that I have many money today?
No, money is uncountable, so you say much money.
Oh, I see. I always say many money by mistake.
Do not worry. Countable is many and uncountable is much.
Many apples and much water. That is very easy.
You got it. But there is a secret universal word.
A universal word? Does it work for both of them?
Yes, it is the easiest quantifier in the English language.
What is this amazing universal word that I can use?
The magic phrase is a lot of. It is perfect.
Can I use it for my countable apples right now?
Yes, you can confidently say, I have a lot of apples.
And I can use it for my uncountable water too?
Exactly. You can say, I drink a lot of water.
That is incredible. A lot of works for absolutely everything.
It is very natural for native speakers to use it.
So I can say a lot of money and friends?
Perfect. You just solved your biggest English problem right there.
I love a lot of. What about small amounts today?
For small amounts, we must use few and little carefully.
Are they also divided into countable and uncountable boxes too?
Yes, we must go back to our two special boxes.
Which word goes into the countable box for my apples?
The word few is strictly for the countable box today.
How do I use few for my small amount of apples?
You simply say, I have few apples in my bag.
Does that mean I only have 2 or 3 apples?
Exactly. It means not many, so it is quite small.
I have few apples. That makes me a little sad.
What about your uncountable water? Which word do we use?
I guess I must use the word little for water.
Spot on. You say, I have little water left today.
Little water means I only have a tiny drop left?
Yes, it means not much water, which is almost nothing.
Few apples and little water. That makes perfect sense now.
You just mastered all the important English quantifiers very quickly.
Let me check. Many apples,
much water, and few books.
And do not forget a little time and a lot of love.
A lot of love is the best example for today.
You are officially ready to face the strict error lab.
I am ready to test my brain in the error lab.
Let us begin. I will speak some bad English sentences.
Okay, bring on the bad English for me today.
Sentence 1. I have much apples in my red bag.
Apples are countable. You must say, I have many apples.
Perfect correction. Sentence 2. I drink many water every morning.
Water is uncountable. You should say, I drink much water.
Excellent. Sentence 3. I have little books on the desk.
Books are countable. You must use the word few instead.
Spot on. Sentence 4. I have few money right now.
Money is uncountable. You must say, I have little money.
Let us do one more. I have many money today.
That is still uncountable. Say, I have a lot of money.
You fixed every mistake perfectly without any boring grammar rules.
I will never say much apples ever again today.
You are officially an expert at counting things in English.
Now it is time to practice speaking out loud.
We will do our shadowing practice together today.
Listen carefully and repeat the words after us. Sentence number 1 is for a countable noun. I have many red apples in my bag.
I have many red apples in my bag.
I have many red apples in my bag. Sentence number 2 is for an uncountable noun. I drink much cold water every single day.
I drink much cold water every single day.
I drink much cold water every single day.
Sentence number 3 is for the universal word.
I have a lot of good friends today.
I have a lot of good friends today.
I have a lot of good friends today. Sentence number 4 is for small countable things. I have few books on my small desk.
I have few books on my small desk.
I have few books on my small desk. Sentence number 5 is for small uncountable things. I have little money left in my pocket.
I have little money left in my pocket.
I have little money left in my pocket. Sentence number 6 is for a lot of uncountable things. I want to give you a lot of love.
I want to give you a lot of love.
I want to give you a lot of love.
You did a fantastic job practicing today.
We learned so much today. Let me summarize the rules.
Go ahead, show me your perfect memory of the lesson.
The word many is only for things we can count.
Correct. And what is the special job of the word much?
It is strictly for uncountable things like water and time.
Perfect. And what is the magic universal phrase we learned?
A lot of works perfectly for absolutely everything today.
Exactly. And do not forget few and little for small amounts.
Few is for counting and little is for uncountable things.
You officially mastered all the English quantifiers with us today.
I will never make the wrong choice in conversations again.
Now it is time for our amazing viewers to practice.
Yes, we have a fun homework challenge for you today.
Write 2 sentences about your own life in the comments today.
Use many and a lot of in your comment today.
Keep practicing every day and think fast, speak smart today.